brief tour of my autumn garden and my seedlings. And there's a tip at the end of the video, so watch the video to the end to catch that tip. See it, guys, these are store-bought onions, scallions that I'm regrowing. They are doing well. I've harvested them, but they're still coming up. More scallions, they're really doing well, and some seedlings. Yeah, so you can reharvest and they'll keep coming. Yeah, as you can see, I've harvested and they're still coming up. Pak choy I bought and I've rooted them, and you can see I can harvest these as well for some salad. This is how my seedlings are doing at the moment. Yeah, my seedlings. Another seedlings, flowers, they're doing well. Remember what to grow in October, November. Yeah, they're popping up nicely. Yeah, some garlic here as well. Garlic I'm growing, as you can see, it's doing very well, so I can harvest the leaves for salads and for garnishing. Having said, I have a cooking channel called Ayesha's Hygiene. Guys, I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to Ayesha's Fruits, Herbal and Vegetable Balcony Hutters. To root your basil, some basil plants. Getting your basil plant, you just put it in some water, stick it in some water, and put